Now hopefully if you're making a recording using the Sonosant Recorder app installed on your phone, which you then transfer in the way demonstrated in previous videos onto an Imperial College London PC, you should get a nice clean recording. But you might not. You might find that there's some background noise which makes the recording a bit difficult to listen back to. So I have recorded using the frankly rather poor microphone on my laptop just to show you some of the problems that you might encounter. I'm using my computer's microphone to record this audio, so there's going to be some annoying background noise. So we've just got some hissing noise in the background which makes it a little bit frustrating to listen back to. You have got these filters under audio cleanup, so if I go in and I turn on noise cancellation, that isn't editing the audio in any way, it's just putting a filter over the audio so it takes some of that background noise out. I'm using my computer's microphone to record this audio, so there's going to be some annoying background noise. Okay, so that's a bit better, and what you might find is that if you're recording a lecture and there are other people near you rustling papers or making a bit of noise, that filter should remove persistent quiet noise in the background so that hopefully what you can hear fairly clearly is the lecturer talking. Additionally, if you are typing notes directly into your computer or there's somebody near you with a laptop, there is another filter which is click reduction, and that should take the noise of keys being hit on a keyboard out of your recording. I would experiment with these different filters, turning them on and turning them off. It can actually make your recording sound worse, so I wouldn't just go in and turn all of these on by default. I'd experiment by seeing which ones actually improve the quality. Now, if that doesn't work and you find that you're simply sitting too far away, maybe because you couldn't get close to the front of the lecture, and you'll definitely want to try and get relatively close to the lecturer if you are recording on a phone without a microphone plugged into it, there is one other option that you can experiment with. I'm not going to go into detail about it here, but I am going to show you where you can find the tool because there's already a very good tutorial built into Audionotetaker itself. The tool is here under Tools, and it is Audio Replace. And if you want to find out how this tool works, you can go up to this tiny arrow here, go down to Manage, and go to View Projects. And this screen might look slightly different because there might be other projects in this list, but what you're looking for is the Audio Replace tutorial. So this is a tutorial that comes with installations of Audionotetaker, and it just gives you the instructions for how to use this. So briefly, here is how it works. You will need two devices. You're going to need your phone recording with the Sonosant Recorder app on it. And if you find that you're a little bit too far away, you'll need another phone that you can place directly next to the lecturer. And that phone doesn't have to have the Sonosant Recorder app installed on it. You can just use any recording app at all. Of course, always make sure that you're asking permission to record in the first instance. And basically what you do is you press record on the phone that is sitting next to the lecturer, and you also start a recording using the Sonosant Recorder app. Now, in the Sonosant Recorder app, you work exactly as you normally would, making section breaks using color codes, and at the same time you know that you're getting a higher quality recording on the device, either a phone or a digital recorder, which is sitting much closer to the lecturer. You can then take both files and put them onto a PC with Audionotetaker installed and use the Audio Replace tool to take the recording that you made on the device that was right next to the lecturer, and it will compare the recording you've made on the Sonosant Recorder to the recording that you made on the phone that was right next to the lecturer, and it will replace all of the audio with that higher quality audio. But critically, it will preserve all of the section breaks that you've made, all of the color codes that you've made. It just synchronizes the two recordings together so that what you hear when you play this new version back will be much higher quality.